Think passive income is all about sitting back and letting the money roll in? What if it's revealed that's one of the biggest myths surrounding it? Many people dream of making money without working a 9 to 5, but the reality behind passive income might surprise you. It's not all easy and instant, and there are several myths that could be holding anyone back from even getting started. In this video, we'll uncover the top 5 myths about passive income that you should stop believing in 2026. Whether you're a beginner or someone who's tried passive income before, this video will clear the myths and guide you on the right path. Let's dive in. 1. Myth number 1. Passive income means zero work. One of the most widespread myths is that passive income requires zero effort, just a magical, hands-off stream of money. But let's clear this up. Passive income is not completely hands-off, at least not in the beginning. Yes, it's true that once set up, certain income streams can generate money with less ongoing effort, but there's a significant amount of work up front. Whether it's blogging, creating a YouTube channel, developing a digital product, or setting up rental properties, time and effort are needed to set things up properly. Even those with high success in passive income spend significant time in the background creating and fine-tuning these systems. They ensure everything is in place to generate income over time and keep working to maintain it. Passive income is about creating a system that works over time, but groundwork must first be laid. The initial effort and consistency are crucial to making passive income work long-term. It's essential to realize that in the early stages, the work will feel like regular work, and patience and persistence are key. But once everything is in place, the rewards can start coming with minimal ongoing effort. The first few months or even years may require hard work and constant learning, but the results will pay off in the future. The idea that passive income means no effort at all is misleading. It's just that the effort is front-loaded. With consistent effort in the beginning, the income continues to grow, making it worth the investment of time. 2. You need a lot of money to start. Another myth is that a large sum of money is required to start earning passive income. Many people think they need thousands of dollars to get started, but that's simply not true. The beauty of passive income is that there are many ways to get started with a low investment. For example, affiliate marketing, blogging, creating YouTube videos, and selling ebooks can all be started with just a small initial investment, sometimes as little as $30 to $50 for a domain and hosting. While having money can help, it's not the most important factor. What truly matters are skills, time, and consistency. With patience and dedication, anyone can start building a passive income stream on a budget. Many successful online entrepreneurs started with little money, but invested their time into learning and creating something valuable. You don't need a huge initial investment to get started. Instead, the right mindset and willingness to put in the work matter more. Starting small is not only possible, but often it's the best way to learn and refine processes without the pressure of a large financial commitment. As experience grows, it becomes easy to scale up and reinvest profits into growing the income even more. The barrier to entry for many passive income models is lower than most people think. With platforms like WordPress, YouTube, and affiliate programs offering low-cost startup options, anyone with a desire to learn and work can make passive income a reality. Don't let the idea of needing a large sum stop you from starting your passive income journey today. 3. Passive income starts instantly. Another myth that often leads to disappointment is the belief that passive income starts immediately. People expect to make money as soon as they set up a system, but that's not the case. Passive income takes time to build. Whether you're writing blog posts, creating YouTube videos, or building a product, it takes time for these efforts to start generating income. Think of it like planting a seed. Initially, there may be little to no progress, but with consistent effort, the seed will eventually grow into something valuable. Results may not appear for weeks or even months, but once the system is established, it becomes easier to maintain, and the income starts flowing with less ongoing effort. Successful passive income earners understand this and remain patient through the early stages. Setting realistic expectations is crucial. Passive income, just like any business, takes time to build before it becomes truly profitable. The results won't happen overnight, but they will happen if commitment and consistency are maintained. Many give up too soon because they expect instant gratification. The key is sticking with it, allowing the systems to grow, and trusting the process. Sometimes, It may even take longer than expected before tangible results show up, but the wait is worth it in the end. Remember, the most successful passive income sources have built up over time, often taking years to fully grow into the steady income streams they are today. The key to success is remaining committed and being patient with the process. 4. Blogging is dead. One common misconception in the world of passive income is that blogging is dead. In reality, blogging is far from dead. It's actually one of the most powerful and enduring passive income models. When done right, blogging can bring in money through ads, affiliate marketing, and selling digital products like ebooks or courses. The key is creating valuable content that attracts traffic over time. Yes, competition is high, but with quality, unique content, and effective SEO strategies, a blog can stand out and attract visitors. Even though it may take time to rank in search engines, once a blog starts gaining traction, the income can continue flowing in long after the post is published. Consistent income can be earned from a blog even without actively creating new content. Many successful bloggers have systems in place that keep earning for them through articles that continually bring in traffic and sales. So, don't let the myth that blogging is dead discourage you. With the right approach, blogging can be an incredible source of passive income. The key is focusing on niche topics that are meaningful, creating real value for the audience, and constantly improving the content to stay relevant. With persistence, a blog can thrive and continue generating passive income for years to come. Blogging offers numerous opportunities to create income streams that keep working for you even when you're not actively creating content. Blogs continue to be effective tools for driving traffic, building authority, and monetizing your knowledge and expertise. 5. Only tech experts can make passive income. A common barrier many face when considering passive income is the belief that only tech experts or those with coding skills can succeed. While some online passive income methods may require a bit of technical know-how, many are user-friendly and accessible to beginners. Starting a blog, YouTube channel, or selling digital products doesn't require advanced technical skills. Many who begin these projects have very basic knowledge of the tools and platforms they're using. The key is to learn as you go, take action, and be patient. Platforms like YouTube, blogging, and affiliate marketing are designed to be beginner-friendly, and most tools offer simple interfaces with step-by-step guides. Being a programmer is not necessary to build a successful online income stream. What matters most is being resourceful, curious, and willing to learn. With determination and the right mindset, anyone can build a successful passive income stream, regardless of their tech expertise. Today, many platforms are intuitive and allow beginners to get started with minimal tech knowledge. With time, the necessary skills will be picked up, and it will become easier to set up and manage these income streams. Passive income is accessible to everyone, not just tech experts. Today's platforms are specifically designed to make it easier for anyone to get started, even those with no technical background. So, don't let the myth of needing technical expertise hold you back from starting your own passive income journey. There you have it. 5 myths about passive income that you should stop believing. From the idea that passive income requires zero work to the misconception that only tech experts can succeed, these myths are holding many people back from achieving their financial goals. The truth is, passive income requires effort, patience, and consistency. It's about setting up systems that work for you and growing them over time. If the right strategies are followed and these myths are avoided, building a sustainable passive income stream becomes possible. If this video was helpful, hit that like button, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on creating passive income. Stay tuned for more content that helps you achieve financial freedom. See you in the next video.